Laurel, Maryland is a growing community that blends suburban charm with urban convenience. As homeowners look for ways to improve their living spaces, one upgrade consistently stands out: energy-efficient windows. With rising energy costs, growing environmental concerns, and the desire for greater comfort, many Laurel residents are choosing to replace outdated windows with high-performance, energy-saving options. If you're considering window replacement, here's why energy-efficient windows are a top choice for Laurel homeowners, and why they may be the right investment for your home too. Lower energy bills year-round. Maryland's climate ranges from cold winters to hot, humid summers. Unfortunately, older or single-pane windows do little to insulate against temperature extremes, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and drive up your utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed with double or triple panes, insulating gas fills, such as argon or krypton, and low emissivity, low-E, coatings that reduce heat transfer. These features help maintain indoor temperatures more consistently, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems and lowering your monthly energy costs, often significantly. Enhanced indoor comfort. It's not just about saving money. Energy-efficient windows also enhance your overall comfort. Many homeowners in Laurel experience drafts, hot spots, or cold rooms caused by old, inefficient windows. With upgraded energy-efficient models, you'll enjoy better temperature regulation throughout your home. No more sitting by a freezing window in the winter or avoiding sunny rooms in the summer. Your home will feel more comfortable no matter the season. Environmental sustainability is becoming a top priority for many Laurel families. Choosing energy-efficient windows isn't just good for your home, it's good for the planet. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're also helping to lower greenhouse gas emissions. Many Energy Star-rated windows are produced with sustainable materials and manufacturing processes, allowing you to make an eco-friendly choice that aligns with your values. For Laurel homeowners who want to reduce their environmental footprint, this is a meaningful step forward. Increased home value and market appeal. If you plan to sell your home in the future, energy-efficient windows can be a valuable selling point. Today's buyers are more energy conscious than ever, and features like new windows often translate into higher resale value and a quicker sale. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models gives your home an updated look, boosts curb appeal, and shows that you've made smart, long-term improvements. It's an investment that can pay off both now and later. Noise reduction benefit. While energy savings may be the primary motivation, many homeowners are pleasantly surprised by the soundproofing qualities of energy-efficient windows. The same multi-pane design and insulation that blocks heat transfer also help reduce outside noise. If you live near a busy street, train tracks, or lively neighborhood in Laurel, you'll appreciate the quieter, more peaceful indoor atmosphere that energy-efficient windows provide. UV protection for interiors. Ultraviolet UV rays can fade and damage your flooring, furniture, and artwork over time. Energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings block a significant portion of UV light, helping to protect your home's interior while still allowing plenty of natural sunlight. This added layer of protection helps preserve the beauty of your indoor spaces and reduces the need to replace faded items prematurely. Professional installation for maximum performance. To fully enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows, proper installation is key. Laurel homeowners trust local professionals who understand regional building codes, climate challenges, and home styles. A certified window installer ensures a snug, airtight fit that prevents drafts and leaks, maximizing the energy-saving potential of your new windows. With expert guidance, you'll choose the right window styles and features for your specific home and needs. Final thought: energy-efficient windows are more than just a home improvement. They're a long-term investment in comfort, savings, sustainability, and value. Laurel homeowners continue to choose them because they deliver real results, from reduced energy bills to a quieter, cozier home environment. If you're thinking about replacing your windows, now is the perfect time to explore your energy-efficient options. Contact a trusted local window professional in Laurel to learn how you can make your home more efficient, eco-friendly, and enjoyable for years to come.